Hi students, this is the continuation of lines and angles class. In this class we will learn about supplementary angles. First example is, which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? Here we have two angles. Okay. First angle is 110 degrees and then the second angle is 70 degrees. Similar to complementary angles, in complementary angles sum of two angles is equal to 90, whereas in supplementary angles sum of two angles is equal to 110 degree, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Here we have 110 degree plus we will add this 70 degrees. 110 plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. In supplementary angles, sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees. So this and this is same. So what we can say, these two angles are supplementary angles. What we will say, these two angles are supplementary angles. Since sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, 110 plus 70 is equal to 180, we will say these two angles are supplementary angles. Now the second example is, we have two angles 90 degree and 90 degree. Sum of two angles is equals to 180, we will write, and then we will add those two angles, 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees as per our definition. So we will say, since these two angles sum of 90 and 90 is equal to 180, these two angles are supplementary angles. These two angles are supplementary angles. I hope you are able to understand easily now, since we have solved few questions on complementary angles. We will take another example, third example. Okay, one angle is given as 50 degrees and the other angle is given as 140 degrees. For supplementary angles, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Here I am having 50 degree and then the second angle is 140 degrees. Sum of 50 plus 140 is equal to 190. This is not equal to 180 degrees. So we will say that these two angles are not supplementary angles. Okay, we will look at another example. Find the supplementary angles. Find the supplementary angles of the following. The first example is 105 degrees. We have to find the supplementary angle of 105 degrees. To find the supplementary angle of 105 degree, what we will do is, we will subtract it from 180. We will subtract it from 180. One 180 minus 105 gives you 75 degrees. So the supplementary angle of excuse me, The supplementary angle of 105 degrees (75 degrees) is the supplementary angle of 105 degrees. So students, this is you can try these problems. You have to find out supplementary angle of 95 degree and supplementary angle of 150 degree and supplementary angle of 20 degree.